everyone, I've shown you how to tie-dye socks, but today I'm going to show you how to tie-dye shirts. For the materials, you'll need washed white t-shirts, plastic bags, gloves, dye, and rubber bands. First, get the shirts wet. If you have soda ash, mix it in as it helps keep the colors more vibrant. The first pattern I'm going to show you is the swirl. Pinch and twist where you want the swirl to be, then put on a couple of rubber bands. After that, dye it with whatever colors you'd like. Next is the random pattern. Bunch the shirt up and rubber band it. Then dye it with whatever colors you'd like. Last is the line pattern. Fold the shirt like an accordion. Then rubber band it where you'd like the lines to be. Then dye with whatever colors you'd like. Once your shirts are all dyed, put them in bags and leave them to sit for at least 8 hours. The longer they sit, the more vibrant the shirts. After the shirts have sat, rinse them with water until it runs clear. Then cut the rubber bands. Then we wash the shirts in warm water with mild detergent and dried them on low heat. And that's it! As you can see, I did more shirts but didn't do tutorials for the patterns because I honestly just made them up. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.